District 26A, Adam, Engine 261, Ambulance 261, and Battalion 26. Accident train injuries. West Belvedere Road in Center Drive, Hainesville. Time out. 0723.
26 from Sencap.
Go ahead.
Battalion 26. Train first car 120 in the railroad tracks.
10-4, thank you.
Round length engine 261's en route.
Engine 261, you're en route. 26 from Sencap.
Go ahead.
Monitoring Grayslake PD traffic. It sounds like you have one injured on the train and at least one victim in the vehicle. Known status.
10-4, I'm pulling up location. I don't see anything.
Battalion 26, I'm getting Grayslake PD on the line for more.
10-4, yeah, I'm at the tracks. There's nothing. Well, like, I see that, okay, they're down the tracks. They're going to be, incoming units take the road by Russo. The road that goes down by Russo, that's where everybody is.
Yeah, they're advising they're down by Russo there.
Well, like, I don't know if it's been updated, but I believe this is called Antioch Road.
Interesting.
Engine, I don't think you're going to be able to get past this squad car.
Engine 261's location.
Engine 260.
Well, like, Battalion 26, location command. Looks like we have a train versus a semi-truck. I'll get back to you on injuries.
That's what you see, train into a semi-truck. You're investigating.
Raw Lake Battalion 26.
Battalion 26.
Can you get me another engine company and another ambulance company to the scene, and also bring me in change of quarters ambulance and engine?
That's Grayslake PD just called over. I guess your patient on the train's towards the front of the train if they didn't pass it on.
Yeah, we copy. That's why we need the extra manpower. Thank you. Raleigh, can you have a 2680 respond to the scene with the Stokes basket?
District 26A, Adam, Ambulance 271, and Engine 263. Accident train injuries. West Belvedere Road in Center Drive, Hainesville. Time out. 0735.
Lake Tower 261's going.
Ladder Tower 261, you're en route.
Lake Engine 263 is en route.
Engine 263 en route.
Lake Grayslake Ambulance 271 en route.
Ambulance 271, you're en route. Sin copy, they're going to be by Russo Power Equipment on South Hainesville Road at the tracks.
That's Steve.
Tower from Battalion 26.
Go ahead, Command.
You might be better off parking at Russo. It's a very narrow dirt here. I don't want that thing to sink.
Okay.
Ambulance 263 is going to be en route to the crash at 120.
Ambulance 260, crash.
Round Lake 2600 started the crash at 120.
100, you're en route to the crash.
Command Towers on scene.
Ladder Tower 261, you're on scene.
Lake Grayslake Ambulance 271's on location.
271, you're on scene. 2600's on location. You're on scene.
Lake 2680's en route to the crash. 2680, when you get here, can you be safety?
Lake Engine 263's on the scene.
263, you're on scene.
2602's en route to the crash.
22, you're en route.
Ambulance 263 location.
Units, Ambulance 263, I have you on scene, other unit with traffic.
Raleigh 2602's location, switching over.
You're on scene, going to red.
Lake Fox Lake Ambulance is at Station 1.
Fox Lake Ambulance, you're out under Station 1. Middle of the track instead of on the sideline.
Lake Battalion 26.
6, go ahead.
Can you get me an ATV to the scene, somebody who can carry possibly Fox Lake or Lake Villa?
Message received.
Raleigh Battalion 26. Can we get the Grayslake six-wheeler from the Mavis six-wheeler from Grayslake Station?
Message received. I'll give them a call to ATV before we're going.
Raleigh Battalion 26, sorry. Can you cancel the ATVs?
Fax cam view copy. Thanks. Round Lakeville, engine 242 is at station 1. 242, you're at our station 1. Round Lake, 2600 returning. 600, you're returning.
Round Lake ambulance 261 route to Condell.
Ambulance 261 is going to Condell.
Raleigh from Battalion 26, I just talked to the coroner. He's en route.